Guys, Apple's first foldable iPhone might finally be real. And according to multiple leaks from sources like Mac Rumors and Macworld, the device could launch in 2026 alongside the iPhone 18 lineup. Reports suggest Apple is working on a book-style foldable design similar to Samsung's Fold series, featuring a massive 7.8-inch inner display and a smaller 5.5-inch cover screen. One of Apple's biggest goals reportedly focuses on reducing the visible crease, which has been one of the largest complaints about foldable phones for years. Some leaks even claim the crease could become nearly invisible thanks to a redesigned hinge mechanism and advanced OLED layers. The build quality could also be a major upgrade over current foldables. Reports suggest the iPhone Fold may use a titanium and aluminum chassis with a liquid metal hinge for better durability. The phone is also rumored to be extremely thin, possibly around 4.5 to 4.8 millimeters when unfolded. Because of this ultra-thin design, Apple may reportedly remove Face ID entirely on this model and instead bring back Touch ID through a side-mounted fingerprint sensor similar to the iPad Air. That decision alone could make the device feel very different from recent iPhones. Performance is expected to be powered by Apple's upcoming A20 Pro chip built on a 2-nanometer process, which could significantly improve battery efficiency, gaming, AI processing, and multitasking. Some reports also mention up to 12 gigabytes RAM to better support split-screen apps and foldable multitasking features. Since this is Apple's first foldable, many leaks suggest the software experience may borrow ideas from iPadOS, including floating apps, drag-and-drop support, and advanced multitasking tools designed for the larger display. Camera upgrades are also expected. Current leaks point toward dual 48-megapixel rear cameras with improved low-light photography and AI image processing. Some reports mention separate front cameras for both folded and unfolded modes, making video calls and content creation more convenient. The larger tablet-style screen could also improve photo and video editing directly on the device. Battery life remains one of the biggest challenges for foldable phones, but Apple may use high-density battery cells and more efficient display technology to improve endurance. Rumors also suggest a dual-cell battery system for better heat management and power efficiency. If true, Apple could solve one of the biggest weaknesses of current foldable devices. The biggest shock may be the price. Most reports suggest the iPhone Fold could start around $2,000 and potentially exceed $2,500, depending on storage configuration, making it Apple's most expensive iPhone ever. Despite the high price, analysts believe Apple is targeting creators, professionals, and early adopters who want cutting-edge technology in a premium form factor. According to current reports, Apple is aiming for a late 2026 release window, possibly around September alongside the iPhone 18 Pro series. Mass production is reportedly expected to begin sometime in 2026, suggesting the project is already moving closer to launch. If Apple successfully delivers a nearly crease-free display, premium durability, advanced multitasking, and flagship-level cameras, the iPhone Fold could become one of the most important iPhone launches in years. Tell us your opinion, guys. Subscribe the Upgrade Zone for upcoming latest updates.